Welcome back, Chem 130 students. Now we're going to learn how to name covalent compounds. These are compounds that only have non-metal elements in them, okay? So there's no metals, there's no plus or minus charges, there's no ions, it's not ionic. The covalent compounds share electrons. So no charges, no adding up to zero, no checking the charges. Instead, we're going to use prefixes. So our prefixes are mono for 1, di for 2, tri for 3, tetra is 4, penta is 5, hexa is 6, hepta is 7, and octa is 8. Memorize those prefixes. Now to name a covalent compound, you look at the first nonmetal and how many there are and pick your prefix. So you have prefix for that nonmetal with its name. Then you look at the second nonmetal and figure out how many there are and use a prefix for that number. And then the second nonmetal's name, except we do replace the ending with "ide," just like the metal compounds. Otherwise, that's the only similarity. Now, if there's only one of the first nonmetal, you actually don't start with the prefix mono. So never start with mono, just start with the element. For example, let's name carbon dioxide, CO2. We didn't use mono, did we? CO2 is just carbon, not monocarbon, just carbon, and then two O's make it dioxide. So CO2 is carbon dioxide. All right, what is the name for CO? Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. What about number 2? There's 2 P's, so diphosphorus. 5 O's, so pentaoxide. Yeah, diphosphorus pentaoxide. Number 3. Don't start with mono. Phosphorus tribromide. Phosphorus tribromide. Good job. Number 4. Iodine heptafluoride. Good job. And number 5. Dinitrogen trioxide. Yes, there's the names. So pause if you want to copy those down real quick. All right, now if I give you the formula, give me the name. If I give you the name, give me the formula. Hit pause and do these problems real quick. And we're back. All right, let's name the first 3. Br308, tribromine, octaoxide. Good job. The next one. Tetraphosphorus heptasulfide. Yeah. And SO3? Sulfur trioxide. Good job. Now, what is the formula for diphosphorus tetraiodide? P2I4. What about iodine hexafluoride? IF6. And the last one, dichlorine pentaoxide. Cl2O5. Good job. There's your answers. You might want to pause and copy those down. So reminders, prefixes only go with covalent compounds. If there's a metal, do not use prefixes. Roman numerals only go with the variable charged metal compounds. And the polyatomic ions in the box never change their name. All right, if I give you the formula, tell me the name. If I give you the name, give me the formula. Time yourself for 5 minutes and give these 6 a good try. This is your last chance to practice. And we're back. Here's your answers. You might want to hit pause and check yourself. All right, what I like to do in nomenclature is always pick out the covalent compounds first and do them, and then after that tackle the harder ionic problems. So number 2 is covalent, so I'm going to have a prefix, nitrogen dioxide. Number 4 has prefixes, so it's covalent. Diiodine tetraoxide is I2O4. The rest have metals, so no more prefixes now. Can't use prefixes for the rest of them. Number 5, silver sulfate. Silver has a +1 charge. Sulfate has a -2 charge. 1 minus 2, that doesn't add up to 0. So we're going to need 2 silvers to go with sulfate. It's all about the charges. So 2 silvers and 1 sulfate, Ag2SO4. Number 6, nickel 3 sulfide. Nickel 3 means +3 for the nickel. Sulfur is a -2. Aha, the 3-2 combo. Meet at 6. How many nickels do we need to get to 6? 2 of them. +3 + 3 equals +6. How many sulfurs do we need to get to -6? 3 of them. -2 -2 -2 is -6. So the formula is Ni2S3. All right, I hope you've done a good job with your nomenclature. There's a worksheet or 2 that you should practice now. Both of the worksheets are very good, and I highly recommend doing them before you try to answer any quizzes or homework problems. You need to practice some more. So please do the 2 Chapter 8 worksheets for practice. Good luck, GCC. Bye-bye.